Hey guys, BTM here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Flex Mode. Okay, maybe not that Flex Mode, but this one. Let's get into it. Now, Samsung Flex Mode is a powerful feature that allows you to fold your Galaxy Z Fold or Galaxy Z Flip at an angle, splitting the screen in half. This allows you to use your device in new and innovative ways, like watching video while using the bottom half of the screen as a touchpad, or taking selfies from a distance using the rear camera and the bottom half of the screen as a preview, or even making video calls while using the bottom half of the screen to take notes or browse the web, or gaming with a dedicated controller at the bottom half of the screen. Now, the Flex Mode panel, it includes a set of control icons that allow you to quickly and easily adjust the settings and perform actions. Here is a guide to all of the Flex Mode icon controls. First, you have the brightness slider. Now, of course, this allows you to adjust the brightness of the screen. Then next, you have your volume slider. You adjust the volume of the media that you're playing. Then you have your screenshot. Your screenshot allows you to take a screenshot of the current screen. And then you have your notifications. Open the notification shade, and this allows you to view your notifications. And then you also have the launch app. Now, when you use this, of course, it allows you to launch apps. And then finally, you have your touchpad, which gives you the ability to either enable or disable the touchpad. So to use the Flex Mode, you simply fold your Galaxy Z Fold in a 75 to 115 degree angle. Now, to enable the Flex Mode specific apps, you open the Settings app, then you tap Advanced Features, then you tap Labs, then you scroll down and you tap Flex Mode Panel. Now you tap to switch the next to the apps that you want to use with Flex Mode. Once you have enabled the Flex Mode for specific apps, you can now fold your device into an angle and then launch Flex Mode in those apps. So now here are a few tips and tricks. To get the most out of Flex Mode, try using it with apps that have been optimized for the feature. Also, you can adjust the angle of your device to find the most comfortable position for using Flex Mode. If you're using a touchpad, try using gestures to control your device. You can use the Flex Mode panel to access additional controls such as the brightness slider and volume controls. Now, if you're having trouble using the Flex Mode, try restarting your device. So as you can see, Flex Mode is a powerful feature that you can use your device in new and innovative ways. So by following these tips in this video, you can learn how to use the Flex Mode to get the most out of your Galaxy Z Fold or Galaxy Z Flip phone. So this has been a quick tutorial showing you how to use Flex Mode. Now, if you found value in this video, help a tech brother out, give me a like, subscribe to catch my next video when it drops. I'm going to be bringing a whole lot more features about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you can become part of our community. I'm BTM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.